Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Jeep Cherokee headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. Open the hood and secure it with the prop rod. It's a good idea to disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Gather your tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver and possibly a Torx bit. To access the bulb, you'll often need to remove components near the headlight. On the driver's side, this usually involves detaching the air intake duct by loosening its clamps and carefully pulling it away. You may also need to unclip and lift the air filter body. This clears the path to the back of the headlight assembly, revealing the bulb cover. Now, twist the bulb cover counterclockwise to remove it. Next, grasp the old bulb by its plastic base, not the glass, and twist it counterclockwise to release it from the socket. Carefully pull it straight out and disconnect the electrical connector. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands. Connect the new bulb, then insert it into the housing and twist clockwise until it locks securely. Before reassembling everything, reconnect your battery and test the new headlight bulb to ensure it illuminates correctly. Once confirmed, reattach the bulb cover by twisting it clockwise until it's snug. Then, carefully reinstall the air filter body and the air intake duct, securing all clamps and clips. Close the hood, and your headlight replacement is complete.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.